Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Today we are planting onions from bulbs. Now I tried to do some from seed this year, but none of them took, and they were actually old seeds, so I'm not too surprised. I'm going to plant these a couple inches down into the ground, and I'm going to plant them roughly 4 inches apart, somewhere around that range, and we'll see how it goes. I'm also going to plant some onions. I have some full-grown onions from a couple months ago that have been sitting in the pantry, and they have sprouted out. And for some reason there's tons of flies out right now, but hopefully they'll go away and won't bother us too much.
Call me Abraham, if you don't mind. That's my only request as I reach my dying time. I've known wretchedness that words can't tell. I've seen the darkest hell when I looked into myself. I've done things you can't forgive. I turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. May you never know what you will find in a concrete prison cell on the execution line. All the wickedness that ever was is living in your heart, running in your blood. I've done things you can't forgive. I turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. Turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind.
So here we have a full onion that's sprouted from the pantry, and basically what I did was I trimmed around it and made it like a single shoot like this. And then I've never done this, but you can plant these right in the ground, so we're gonna give that a shot. We're gonna bury them down to about here or so, just covering the bulb, maybe a little bit deeper, but we'll see what happens with that. This is an experiment. Alright, all my onions are planted where I want them. Next I'm doing some potatoes over here. Here's a box of the different potatoes I will be planting. These are just from the pantry, a couple different varieties, and they're already getting pretty good. These I cut and I let them sit out in the sun so they scabbed over, and I'll be planting those, covering them with a couple inches of dirt on top of them. So typically I do like 2 or 3 rows of the potatoes. This year we're actually going to be trying out a different method. We are going to use the container method, so we'll be doing a video on that shortly once I get my soil samples taken care of, and I send them out to the state of Connecticut, and then they send me back a list of deficiencies and different things with the nutrients in the soil. So if that's something that you have in your area, then I suggest you try to see if you can get that done. But today I just wanted to plant the potatoes, and I wanted to plant the onions, and we'll see how they grow. Every year I do a garden here. I've been doing a garden here for probably like 6 or 7 years now. We used to have one over closer to the house, and we used to have one actually farther back out that way. But we've always had good results. Wouldn't say I'm an expert or anything by any means. The potatoes, I planted them a lot closer than you're supposed to. Last year we had a bunch of duds that never took off. So I say, well, you know, if they all grow, great. If they don't, you know, if some of them don't grow, then that's not a big issue either. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't got a chance already. And I look forward to sharing some other videos with you.